Hello, dear friends from around the world. Welcome to Life Discovery. I'm Anna Maria, and today we are going to continue our exploration of land and water forms. This is an answer of the contrasting forms activity we did with clay. So let's hop into something interesting and let's get started. Let's continue our exploration of the land and water forms. Let's look at these pictures. What we can see here: a piece of land surrounded by water, and we call it, do you remember? An island. We call it an island, and the islands around the world could be very different, small and big, but they have something in common. They're land formations, and they're surrounded by water. Let's look at this, what we have here. Do you remember? We have a lake. Yes, we have a lake. It's a piece of water surrounded by land. And the lakes are also very different. They could be in the highlands, they could be in the lowlands, but they have one common characteristic. They're a piece of water surrounded by land. And you remember that we have explored even different parts? Do you remember how we call a piece of land that is almost surrounded by water? We call it peninsula. Peninsula, yes. And what is the opposite? A piece of water almost surrounded by land. Do you remember how we call it? A gulf. Yes, we call it a gulf. What we have more? Do you remember? A strip of land that is linking two seas. We call it isthmus. And there's so many different, and they're so beautiful. Our planet Earth, it's a beautiful place to live, and we need to take care. And we have been exploring one more formation. Let's look at it. It's a strip of water that links two lands, and we call it strait. There are so many different straits, but they are very interesting. We can explore more. We can use our imagination and travel in space and in time. And we can make even our own cards. We can use brown and blue paper or cardboard. We all need a pencil. We can do what you want me to do. See what I'm going to do. Do you remember which is this formation? I can cut with my scissors. Be very careful. Now I'm creating my water formation. I can use this glue and put it here. You can do it also. And you remember how we call this? Peninsula. No, it's not peninsula. It's a gulf. Yes, water that is almost surrounded by land. But when we glue this part here, what we are going to have? A land almost surrounded by water. And then we have a peninsula. We can use these cards also They don't have the name, but they have the description. And try to guess the name. You can make cards like so by yourself and explore more. And you can even play with a friend or with your family at home. Let's try with one of those. Which one you want to try? Let's try with this. And something is a piece of land surrounded by water. Do you remember? Let's look here. Is it a peninsula? No. Is it a gulf? No. A lake? Or something is a piece of land. No, it's not a lake. Isthmus? No. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Yes, it's island. You can keep going and explore more and enjoy the beauty of our planet Earth. Let's take care for self, others, and for the planet. Thank you.